everyone! Samahan niyo ako sa aking slow Sunday through my autistic lens. Siyempre, as a person with autism, gusto kong makita niyo ano nga bang ginagawa ko during Sunday. This is a mini vlog of our real life. And of course, taking the day at my own pace. Coffee date! Dito nga pala kami nakatira sa Zamboanga del Norte, Dipolog City. So gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung life namin dito sa countryside. And of course then, dahil alam niyo naman na naka-antidepressant ako, I really love to eat. Kaya nag-gain talaga ako ng weight kasi effect siya ng antidepressant. Ang in-order ko dito is waffle with banana and chocolate chip cream dahil sweet tooth ako. Ito naman yung kedit ko. Ang order naman niya ay shrimp. Yung coffee nga pala na in-order ko is white chocolate mocha. At pang ilang days na akong uminom ng coffee na yan. Alam niyo naman, hyper food fixation. And of course, breakfast time. Ayan, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Let's go, guys! Because it's Sunday, it's church day! Thank you sa pagsama sa akin, guys! Thank you for watching!